Hello everyone. Today's class is based on mobile OS. So, what is mobile? In the year of late 90s, mobile phone comes with the feature of dialing and receiving calls and sending simple text messages. But now, day by day, we brought a huge revolution in the features of mobile handset. In modern days, modern mobile phones comes with modern computer-like features. Modern phones which can done functions like a computer do, they are called smartphones. What is mobile OS? To manage all these important features in a phone, we need a special type of operating system called mobile OS or mobile operating system. The mobile OS is used in smartphones, tablets and other mobile devices. Now there are different types of mobile OS. There are different types of mobile OS from different mobile companies. Android by Google, iOS by Apple, Windows by Microsoft, BlackBerry OS by RIM or BlackBerry Limited, Web OS by Hewlett Packard, Symbian by Nokia. But there are some difference between mobile OS and desktop OS. Computer operating systems are designed using different environment that helps them in better functioning of different application softwares. But the same OS can't be used for mobile phones as they are compact computers having limited power, processing speed and memory. Keeping these limitations in mind, separate operating systems are introduced for mobile phones. So the differences between mobile OS and desktop OS are as follows. A mobile phone is compact machine with small battery size, so the OS should be designed in a simple way to work with limited power for a longer period of time. Limited memory is available in mobile phones, therefore the OS should be less complex or occupy less storage capacity. Mobile phones are equipped with inbuilt keyboards, so a different graphical user interface is required.